Hello everyone. In this video, let's learn how to change the layout and how to split the screen to make it be able to contain more charts simultaneously. Let's move our mouse over the table icon on the menu bar here, and you can see there are three types of the layouts. The first type of layout has just one window, the second one has 4 windows, and the third one has 2 windows. Let's specify the third one as our example. Click it and now you can see that our old chart has been put into the left part of the screen. And then we add one more chart. You can see both of them were put into the same space, so you cannot see the market movement simultaneously. If we want to check them at the same time, how can we do? It's simple. Just move our mouse on the toolbar and drag one of them and drop it into the right side of the screen. Now one of the charts would be put into the right side of the screen. Okay, now you can change the instrument that you want to monitor. For example, if you want to check USD JPY, then we just need to choose this instrument and then click the Change button. Now you can see USD JPY and your USD at the same time. By the same method, we can split the screen into 4 parts, and then we can add more charts and check more instruments at the same time. Hopefully this tool can be helpful to your trading. Happy trading every day. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.